I have been on Twitch for more than a year, and over that period of time I have met multiple people in my chat that got inspired by watching my stream and gave them the motivation to start their own career as well on Twitch or as a content creator in general. Every streamer with a well-established community already know this, and new streamers hate to hear this. But to really pursue that career, it is hard work, motivation, and dedication. There are still so many new streamers that are asking themselves, why am I not growing? What am I doing wrong? Or am I missing out on something important? It is time to make some minor tweaks that will make a huge difference. Roll the intro. Hey, what is up guys? My name is Casted and I'm your stream daddy for today. In this video, I'll explain to you guys 5 things that you don't want to do to try to grow your channel. And I will follow up with 5 more things that you want to do instead. Don't forget, I stream on Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays. Links down in the description. If you have any more questions, then make sure to join the Discord or follow me up on Twitter and let's have a chat. Number 1, make yourself a stream schedule. Don't stream every day. And you're probably wondering by yourself right now, there are big streamers that stream every day, why shouldn't I do it? Those streamers are exceptions. They already grew big on Twitch and remonetized that content to YouTube. Not to make original content, mostly to just double the income. If you make yourself a stream schedule, for example 3 days in a week, that means that you have the option to create original content to multiple platforms. Instagram, YouTube, Twitter. The moment you start making original content on those platforms, that will also mean you have a bigger chance to be found. And with those new people watching or interacting with you on those platforms, you can guide them over to Twitch and grow from there. And let's get one thing straight. Making a complication of your Twitch clips or re-uploading your Twitch VODs to YouTube, that is not original content. Get creative. Also, if you set yourself up with a stream schedule, your audience will know when you're about to go live, when they can have a chat with you, play games with you, or even just interact with you. They want to know when you go live. Make sure they know. Number 2, do invest in equipment that makes your stream more entertaining. Don't buy stuff that will make it more fun for you while streaming. Over the last couple years, the bar has been raised. You need to have a decent setup. If you invest in equipment that will make your stream more entertaining, your channel is gonna grow. You're gonna start making more money, and when you're earning more, then you can buy stuff that makes it more fun for you. For example, a new keyboard. It will make it more fun for you, but it doesn't add up to the entertainment value of your stream. Graphics, overlays, lighting, microphone, even a decent webcam or camera will improve the overall quality of your stream, which also will improve your entertainment value of your stream. Spend your first dollar towards your entertainment value. Spend your last dollar on stuff that will make it more fun for you. Number 3, do remind people to follow or subscribe to you on Twitch. However, don't beg for it. There's a fine line between reminding people and begging for it. I make sure that I do everything that I can make subscribing worth it to my channel. Fun emotes, creative sub badge, and for example, when I bring up, when we hit 50 subs, we unlock a new emote slot. Or when we hit a sub goal, we're going to do a special stream. Then you reminded them to subscribe to you. And most people already like thinking about supporting the creator, supporting the channel, the guy on Twitch, creating the content. Sometimes they don't think about it, and that's why you can remind people for it. If you're going and ask for them to subscribe to you, you come over pretty desperate, and it feels like they're supporting a charity. This is also a really tough topic to talk about. If you can find the fine line between reminding people and asking or begging people, it will make a huge difference to your channel. You still following along? Good. Let's go to number 4 then. Number 4, expand your reach by using multiple platforms. Don't use Restream.io. And you'll be probably asking by yourself right now, why shouldn't I use Restream.io? It expands my broadcast to multiple platforms, increasing my visibility. How can be that a bad thing? By using Restream.io, you come over desperate. Desperate to be found, desperate by one extra guy clicking on your channel and see what's in there. The moment you're getting more viewers in your chat, if someone asks a question on Twitch, then the people on YouTube don't know what's up, the people on Facebook Gaming don't know what's happening, and the same way goes the other way around. And the thing about Twitch live streaming, YouTube live streaming, even Facebook Gaming, to broadcast yourself live on that platform, it is meant to interact with your community. YouTube is amazing for the visibility to get your reach out there, but the interacting part is really low. But if you live stream to Twitch or YouTube or Facebook, you're switching it the other way around. The interacting with your community is really high, but your visibility is a bit lower on Twitch, for example. But the interacting part, it is the strongest point on that platform. If you're using Restream.io, you're actually crushing it all the way through the ground, and you're not using Twitch, Facebook gaming, or YouTube live streaming as the strongest point. You're using their strongest point and you throw it away in the garbage. Don't use Restream.io. The thing what you can do instead is making content to multiple platforms by expanding your reach to Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok even. Over time that you're making original content on multiple platforms, you can guide over those viewers to your Twitch. And the same way goes the other way around. If you have people sitting in your Twitch and you want to expand on YouTube or start doing YouTube, you can guide them over to YouTube. You already have like a small start on there. Just to keep it short, by using Restream.io, you're losing interaction. You're losing interaction with your chat, with your viewers. And if you have followed the advice I gave you on point number 1, make yourself a stream schedule, that also means that you have plenty of time to make original content to multiple platforms and expand your reach and guide them from one to the other. Give yourself that expandability. Number 5, stream the games that you want to play. If you're streaming the top game on Twitch but you're sitting with 10 viewers, then you're all the way at the bottom of the list. And if you're sitting all the way on the bottom of the list, it is hard to get found because no one is going to scroll down on Twitch just to find you. But also, don't stream the most weirdest or sketchiest game on Twitch that no one is watching. Because if no one is watching that game, then you're actually crushing that visibility. The best thing you can do is find a game that's also in the middle ground and that you enjoy to play. The games that I like to play is, for example, Rocket League. By streaming a game that is in the middle ground, you have a better chance to be found because there are less streamers streaming that game than, for example, Warzone or Fortnite. By the way, if you do enjoy Warzone or Fortnite and if that is your main to-go game, please stream the game. Because if you stream a game that is way better to get found at, but you don't really enjoy that game, that will hurt your entertainment value. You might get clicked on a bit more, but if people start to notice you that you don't enjoy the game, they already left your channel. These were the 5 topics of things that you don't want to do on Twitch and 5 things you want to do instead. By the way, boys, funny thing right now. I've been trying to go with an image of Stream Daddy and someone sent me a picture on Twitter. If this video sucked, then you know what to do. If you think the video was awesome, make sure to hit the like button, make sure to subscribe or ring even the notification bells. My name is Castles. I stream on Monday, Wednesday and Fridays, and if you have made through this video all the way through from the beginning to the end, I'm going to give you a bit of motivation. If you really want to pursue that career, it is hard work, motivation and dedication. If you can take all those tips which I gave to you and implement them in your stream, in your social media, you will grow from there. I know you can do it. Don't think like, oh, it's way too much work. If you really want to pursue that career, then you know what to do. Also, if you have any questions, then make sure to join the Discord. Link is down in the description. If you want to hit me up on Twitter, ask a question or have a chat or something, make sure to follow me on Twitter. And as always, good luck on your next stream. That was actually a good pie.